tarde toda gente. Good evening, everybody. It's about 5 o'clock here in Lisbon. I'm starting the vlog really late today. We had a lovely day at the aquarium yesterday. If you didn't see that, feel free to check out the last upload. But today I started the vlog really late. We've had a little bit of breakfast down in a cafe by the River Tejo, which was really nice. We went to the market, bought a few bits of fruit and veg, and now we're on our way for an evening out. We've got involved, just ducking out of the rain, we've got involved in an evening's entertainment. We're just going to guest. We've got some friends who are playing in a band, sort of special multi-band event with lots of dancing, so we're going to go and do that. But we have to catch a number 728 bus to get there, and it's about here apparently. So we got our zapping cards ready. We charged them up with a bit of extra credit earlier at the train station. I should probably add it is Paddy's Day. That is March the 17th, St. Patrick's Day. So there's quite a lot of people here out in force to celebrate. You might have noticed there was a slight change of bus stop location. We were waiting on the wrong bus stop, so we're going to be a bit late. Backpackers.
More notable are the regulation shorts and socks.
Oh, they must be scouts or something. Yeah. We made it onto the bus. We're on a really fun bit. Look, it looks a bit like an accordion bellows. We've all got seats now. The bus is emptied a bit. I'm having to panic learn some tunes at the last minute here. I've got them on my phone. We think we've found the right area. They couldn't get in the front door, so we're trying round the back. I nearly missed the stop because I was so busy concentrating on trying to learn those tunes that I got a bit engrossed and didn't keep an eye on the stops. Oh, there's an entrance here. My daughter and other half have just gone through. Looks like the entrance there. Well, we got in, we had a little wander around. It's a bit of a labyrinth. It's quite arty in here, and I'm not quite sure where we're going. But a lady went and made some inquiries for us, and we're just waiting here, and someone's going to come and get us and show us where to go. Found the poster. Yeah, it's a multi-band lineup tonight, and there's going to be some dancing, like shortishes and things like that, and also there's going to be some Irish dancing as well for display. We've finally got some directions. It's like a big spiral up and up. Going round. I hear a flute. So we've had a sound check and we're going to rehearse for a bit now in this room. So I'm in a kind of room full of tables and people scoffing at the moment. We've had a bit of a rehearsal with the dancers as well. I still don't know the tunes, but I've got some cheating dots. I've been scribbling frantically. We've had a nice bit of food all together and some water and coffee for me. And there's been wine as well, but I'm not interested in that. Izzy's gone off to find the loot, and we're going to have another bit of a rehearsal soon. Our gig does not start till 12. I've just come back up to the venue where we're going to play. We've got the room to ourselves till about midnight, so I'm going to run through the new tunes. I just got offered a coffee, and I said, oh yes please, forgetting that Portuguese coffee is actually an espresso. And I got one, and I dared Isabel to have a taste. How did you find it, Izzy?
It's so bad. I don't even like actual coffee.
Just had a tiny tongue taste, didn't you? It's like... I should have filmed it. It was a very colourful reaction.
It was not colourful, it was dark, dark black.
I've got dirt all over my chin. I've got dirt on my chin.
No, I've got moustache hairs.
Uh-huh.
I've got beard hairs, I
think it's my flute mates, yeah, there's a black mark sometimes. Anyway, I better get practicing. So, we were just trying to run through these new tunes, and all of a sudden, a humongous, great big crowd came in and started watching very intently, so we had to stop the rehearsal because they need to go and watch the other bands that are on now. It's got even more crowded, and we're not even starting for 50 minutes. Oh my goodness. This is Izzy's corner here, up on stage. What are you up to, Isabel?
Doing some of this colouring book, which is really cool.
So it's like a really complicated colouring by numbers, isn't it? So here's the numbers and colours here. But look how complicated it is. So you can't really tell what it's going to be until you've done it. And it's a very dim light up here as well. It's just the stage lighting in a dark room.
Like, so I have no idea what it's going to be.
Honestly, you won't be able to tell till there's like daylight. even after you've coloured it. And what are you drinking?
Mango nectar.
And that's something Portuguese, isn't it? What do you think of it?
It's good.
Nice ears, by the way. Meow. And here's the stage all set up. This is the all-new Irish dance team's banner. Unfortunately, it keeps curling up at the bottom. We're yet to sort that problem out. It's gone really crazy busy in here now. I'm on the hunt for string. Can't find any string. Aha, I just found a bit of this broken off. 2 bits, in fact, from that decoration there. Let's see if we can fix that banner up with this. It's getting crazier and crazier. Let's try the other door. Yes, this is our room. I just can't get in it. Let me in, Isabel's in there. There, I fixed it. Now it looks better. There we are. Let them go, boys, let them go, boys. Let them go down in the mud where the rivers all run dry. Coming up threes, boys, coming up threes, boys. Let them go down in the mud where the rivers all run dry. It's about 25 to midnight now. Yes, we are on Portuguese time here. Isabel's been going more and more nocturnal since we arrived. Been getting up like, I don't know, 12:30 or 1 in the afternoon, so that she's not knackered then for staying up late. Just as well. I'm trying not to drink too much here. I have been given a Paddy's Day Guinness, but I haven't had very much because I tell you what, getting to the toilet's a little bit of a logistical problem at the moment with so many people packed in here like sardines. But one thing I've noticed about the Portuguese is they don't wee as much as the Brits, because the Brits are always swigging pints and pints of lager. Portuguese are a lot better behaved. So this is like a baile, which means like a dance, so there'll be lots of people polkering and shotishing, but given the number of them, I don't know how they're all going to fit. Oh, there's Cesar. Been saying his name wrong, he's got an accent on the E, I think. That's Miguel. Oh, the invisible boyfriend's for there, you're not allowed to see him because he's invisible, as we all know. Me and the invisible boyfriend aren't even starting with the band. We're doing like the second half, so we're going to be sitting here. I think I'm going to stay put on the stage because there's more room here. There's whiskey in the jar. They're laughing at us over there. The anticipation's building. Pedro's sorting his gear out. Smile! This is the set list, but we're not in until set 9, so we got quite a long time to wait. That one, slip jigs. Some of the dancers are there, looking very lovely. Striking up the chord, getting ready.
dansers who now do make way in this song. Some runners that we on the way.
Doing polkas and hoping for some dancers. Ooh, I think we're getting some. That's me, that is. That's my invisible boyfriend.
Nice.
Okay, toilet mission complete, but how are we going to get back in? That's the question. Got back through, we followed one of the dancers in quick. He looked like he knew what he was doing. Oh, boys worked up a bit of a thirst over there. Well, it is Paddy's day after all. Pedro's not though, he's being conscientious, so he's not boozing. Oh, somebody's getting hot. Off it comes. Got a bit of a waltz happening now. Not many takers so far, but we've got two so far. A couple. That's all you need for a waltz. That's an octave whistle, or a low whistle. If you're wondering what that is, it's a bit like a penny whistle, but bigger and lower. Just going on down there, a bit of rummaging. 6 o'clock in the morning. A very nice sound man just came and gave me an ice cold beer. It's actually 6 minutes past 2, we're still going. We finally finished. We're going to get a cab home very soon. It's the end of the night. The floor's coming up. They stuck it down with gaffer tape and it's coming back up again now. So I'm keeping my voice down because it's really, really late, but we're back in the apartment. We had a really cool night. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it, because it really helps the channel to grow. Comment down your thoughts below. Subscribe for more adventures, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.